Hey, this is Ivory with MuchieGoddess.com, and today we are making air fryer sour cream and onion potato rounds. These make an easy side dish or party appetizer. For the ingredients, you'll need 1 russet potato, olive oil, salt, pepper, onion powder, shredded mozzarella cheese, crumbled bacon, rich onion dip, dried parsley flakes, and sliced green onion. Start by mixing the olive oil with the onion powder, parsley, salt, and pepper. Next, slice the potato, and then brush each side with the olive oil mixture. Preheat the air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 12 minutes. Once the air fryer is ready, add the potato rounds to the air fryer and cook for 12 minutes. Be sure to flip them halfway through. Once the potato rounds are done, add the cheese and bacon and cook for an additional 30 seconds to 1 minute until the cheese has melted. Remove the potato rounds from the air fryer and top with the French onion dip and green onions. And then enjoy! Thanks for watching! Be sure to follow me for more easy air fryer recipes.